The richest companies in the world for 2024 are a testament to the growing dominance of the technology sector, reflecting their massive market capitalization and global influence. At the top of the list is Microsoft Corporation, with a market cap of $3.31 trillion, followed closely by Apple and NVIDIA Corporation, both with market caps exceeding $3 trillion. These tech giants are joined by other notable firms such as Alphabet and Amazon, each boasting market capitalizations in the trillions. Beyond technology, the list also includes major players like Saudi Aramco, highlighting the enduring significance of the energy sector. Companies such as Meta Platforms, Berkshire Hathaway, and TSMC also make the cut, demonstrating a diverse mix of industries that lead the global market. This ranking underscores the financial prowess and market leadership of these corporations in a rapidly evolving global economy. As of 2024, the richest companies in the world by market capitalization are as follows. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you not to miss any of our interesting video. Let's get started. Number 1. Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation stands as the richest company in the world in 2024, with a staggering market capitalization of $3.31 trillion. Founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975, Microsoft has evolved from a software pioneer to a global leader in technology, renowned for its operating systems, software products, and innovative hardware. The company's success is fueled by its flagship products like Windows, Microsoft Office, and Azure Cloud Services, which have become indispensable tools for businesses and individuals alike. Microsoft's strategic acquisitions, including LinkedIn and GitHub, have further bolstered its market presence and revenue streams. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, the company has embraced digital transformation and cloud computing, driving sustained growth and profitability. This relentless innovation and strategic expansion continue to solidify Microsoft's position at the forefront of the global tech industry. Number 2. Apple. Apple remains one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $3.22 trillion. Founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in 1976, Apple revolutionized personal technology with its innovative products. The company is best known for its iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, Apple Watch, and services like the App Store and Apple Music. Apple's consistent focus on sleek design, user-friendly interfaces, and a robust ecosystem has garnered a loyal global customer base. Under the leadership of CEO Tim Cook, Apple has continued to innovate, investing heavily in areas like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy initiatives. The company's financial success is also bolstered by its high-margin services segment, which includes digital content and subscription services. Apple's ability to combine hardware, software, and services into a cohesive, high-quality user experience cements its position as a leading force in the technology industry. Number 3. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA Corporation has ascended to become one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $3.21 trillion. Founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem, NVIDIA has pioneered the development of graphics processing units, GPUs, revolutionizing both the gaming and professional visualization industries. The company's GPUs are integral to advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data centers, making NVIDIA a crucial player in the tech ecosystem. NVIDIA's influence extends beyond gaming, as its GPUs are now essential in scientific research, autonomous vehicles, and high-performance computing. The company's strategic acquisitions, such as Mellanox Technologies, have expanded its capabilities in data processing and networking. Under Huang's leadership, NVIDIA continues to innovate, maintaining a strong competitive edge and driving significant growth in various tech sectors, underscoring its prominence and financial success. Number 4. Alphabet. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $2.19 trillion. Founded in 1998 as Google by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Alphabet was created in 2015 to allow the company to expand into various sectors beyond its core search engine business. Alphabet's portfolio includes Google Search, YouTube, Android, Google Cloud, and several other innovative projects under its Other Bets category, such as Waymo, self-driving cars, and Verily, life sciences. Google's dominance in online advertising, powered by its sophisticated algorithms and vast data collection capabilities, remains a significant revenue driver. Additionally, Alphabet's investments in artificial intelligence and cloud computing have positioned it at the forefront of technological innovation. CEO Sundar Pichai's leadership has been pivotal in navigating the company through regulatory challenges and fostering continued growth and innovation. Number 5. Amazon. Amazon is among the richest companies in the world in 2024, boasting a market capitalization of $1.95 trillion. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon started as an online bookstore and rapidly expanded into a global e-commerce powerhouse. Today, it offers a vast array of products and services, ranging from cloud computing, Amazon Web Services, to artificial intelligence, streaming media, and logistics. Amazon's e-commerce platform remains a cornerstone of its business, facilitating millions of transactions daily and catering to a diverse, worldwide customer base. The company's innovative approach to logistics and delivery, including the use of robotics and drones, has set new standards in the industry. Amazon Prime, with its extensive membership benefits, including free shipping and streaming services, has also contributed significantly to customer loyalty and revenue growth. Under the leadership of CEO Andy Jassy, Amazon continues to diversify and innovate, maintaining its competitive edge and financial strength in the global market. Number 6. Saudi Aramco. Saudi Aramco, officially known as the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, is one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $1.79 trillion. Founded in 1933, Aramco is the national oil company of Saudi Arabia and a leading global player in the energy sector. It holds the largest daily oil production capacity and has significant reserves of crude oil, making it a cornerstone of the global energy market. Aramco's operations span exploration, production, refining, distribution, and marketing of hydrocarbons. The company's vast infrastructure and technological expertise enable it to maintain high levels of efficiency and productivity. Aramco's initial public offering, IPO, in December 2019 was one of the largest in history, highlighting its financial prowess and strategic importance. The company continues to invest in sustainable energy solutions and technological innovations to diversify its portfolio and reduce carbon emissions, aligning with global energy transition trends. Number 7. Meta. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, is one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $1.29 trillion. Founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004, Meta has revolutionized social media and digital communication. The company operates several widely used platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, connecting billions of users globally. Meta's rebranding in 2021 reflected its strategic shift towards building the metaverse, an expansive virtual reality space where users can interact in immersive digital environments. This vision encompasses advancements in virtual and augmented reality, driven by Meta's hardware products like the Oculus VR headsets. The company's revenue is predominantly generated through digital advertising, leveraging its vast user base and sophisticated data analytics. Under Zuckerberg's leadership, Meta continues to innovate and expand its influence in the tech industry, maintaining a significant role in shaping the future of social interaction and digital experiences. Number 8. Tesla. Tesla, valued at $910 billion, is a pioneering automotive and clean energy company renowned for its battery electric vehicles, solar panels, and energy storage products. With a mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, Tesla has established itself as a leader in the electric vehicle market, with models like the Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Model S. Headquartered in Texas and operating globally, Tesla has a significant presence in the clean energy sector, offering solar roofs, solar shingles, and energy storage devices. The company's commitment to innovation and sustainability has made it one of the most valuable companies globally, with a significant market capitalization and a loyal customer base. Number 9. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. is one of the richest companies in the world in 2024, with a market capitalization of $884 billion. Founded in 1839 and later transformed by renowned investor Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway has grown from a textile manufacturing firm into a massive conglomerate with diverse holdings. The company owns significant shares in major corporations such as Coca-Cola, American Express, and Apple, and wholly owns subsidiaries in various industries, including insurance, Geico, railroads, BNSF Railway, and utilities, Berkshire Hathaway Energy. Berkshire Hathaway's investment strategy, characterized by long-term value investing and acquiring high-performing companies, has consistently delivered substantial returns. Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, has been instrumental in shaping the company's success through his astute investment choices and conservative financial management. This diversified business model and strategic investments have cemented Berkshire Hathaway's status as a financial powerhouse in the global market. Number 10. Broadcom. Broadcom stands as one of the preeminent technology companies globally, renowned for its significant financial prowess and innovative contributions. Founded in 1961 and headquartered in California, Broadcom specializes in semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. Its market dominance and financial stature have cemented its position among the richest companies in the world. Broadcom's wealth is underscored by its extensive portfolio of products, catering to diverse sectors such as networking, broadband, wireless, and industrial. The company's annual revenues consistently rank in the tens of billions, reflecting its robust market presence and strategic acquisitions. Broadcom's fiscal discipline and focus on high-growth areas like 5G technology and data center solutions further bolster its financial standing. Moreover, Broadcom's global footprint and partnerships with leading technology firms amplify its influence in shaping the digital landscape. Its commitment to innovation, coupled with a strong market performance, solidify Broadcom's reputation as not just a rich company, but a driving force in advancing technological frontiers worldwide. Number 11. Eli Lilly and Company. Eli Lilly and Company is a prominent pharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, and markets innovative medicines worldwide. With a market capitalization of over $840 billion, the company is nearing the $1 trillion mark. Its successful drugs, such as Zepbound and Mounjaro, have driven significant revenue growth. Eli Lilly's stock has gained over 95% in the past year, reflecting its strong performance. Despite its high valuation, analysts remain bullish, with a consensus price target of $798.50. The company's promising pipeline, including the potential blockbuster donanemab, suggests continued growth prospects, making it an attractive investment opportunity in the healthcare sector. Number 12. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, valued at $845 billion, is the world's leading independent semiconductor foundry and the world's second most valuable semiconductor company. TSMC is the largest company in Taiwan, accounting for 30% of the Taiwan Stock Exchange's main index. The company's revenue increased by 13% year-over-year in Q1, with a revenue acceleration of 27% expected in Q2. Wall Street analysts predict strong growth for TSMC throughout this year and next, with revenue increasing 23% in 2024 and 22% in 2025. TSMC's innovative technology, including its industry-leading 3nm node, has established it as a leader in the chip world, with plans to launch its 2nm node in 2025. Number 13. Novo Nordisk A/S, valued at $633 billion, is a Danish pharmaceutical company leading the global diabetes care market. Its innovative medications such as Ozempic and Rybelsus have revolutionized glucose control. With a strong pipeline and expanding presence in obesity treatment, Novo Nordisk's future looks promising. The company's commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon footprint has earned it recognition as one of the most sustainable companies in the world. Novo Nordisk's consistent dividend payments and steady growth make it an attractive investment opportunity in the healthcare sector. Its market dominance and innovative approach solidify its position as a leader in the industry. Number 14. UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group, valued at $477 billion, is a healthcare giant providing medical benefits, healthcare services, and health information technology. Its subsidiaries, including UnitedHealth and Optum, serve over 145 million individuals worldwide. The company's diverse portfolio includes health insurance, pharmacy benefit management, and healthcare delivery services. UnitedHealth Group's commitment to innovation and data analytics has driven its growth with a focus on personalized care and population health management. With a strong track record of financial performance and a solid reputation, UnitedHealth Group is a leader in the healthcare industry, delivering value to customers, shareholders, and patients alike. Number 15, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a multinational corporation renowned for its consumer healthcare products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. With a market capitalization of $434 billion, it is one of the largest and most valuable healthcare companies in the world. Founded in 1886, J&J has a long history of innovation and success in the healthcare industry. The company's diverse portfolio includes well-known brands like Band-Aid, Neutrogena, Tylenol, and Listerine, among others. Johnson & Johnson is committed to advancing healthcare and improving the lives of people globally through its products and services. Its strong financial standing and global presence make it a significant player in the healthcare sector, with a focus on research and development to bring new, life-changing treatments to market. These rankings reflect the company's market capitalization, which is the total market value of their outstanding shares of stock. This list is dominated by technology firms, which continue to see significant growth and profitability due to ongoing advancements and increased demand for tech products and services. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you not to miss any of our interesting video like this. We love you.